Hi crafty people, happy Saturday. This is my 25th episode of Saturday Morning Makes, which was started by Jill Norwood here on YouTube. And today I wasn't sure what I wanted to make. I didn't have anything in mind. I think my crafty mojo just wasn't as strong this morning. And then I remembered all these kits I have. So I have a bunch of kits that when I was selling for Fun Stampers Journey, I got their kits, and I have kits from Stampin' Up, and I thought, hey, let's do some kits. Well, I didn't get too far. I got one kit out, and it was more labor intensive than I thought it was going to be, but also quite fun. So let me show you what I used. This is the pamphlet. The kits from Fun Stampers Journey were called bloom boxes. I'm pretty sure that, that the company's not, there's no Fun Stampers Journey anymore. There's still products, but I don't think there's bloom boxes anymore. And this one happened to be from 2016, and it features this stamp set. Now this stamp set is still available, and it's on sale for $5 over at Spellbinders. $5. Okay, sorry, I'm moving my light a bit. So there is what it's called. When I went in to search for it to make sure it was still available, I put in apple pie and this came up because I couldn't remember the name of it. So yeah, it's called a la mode. $5. They are cling red rubber stamps. Very nice quality. So this is the stamp set. And then there were 4 cards in the kit, as you can see right here, the cards. And this is how they came packaged. And so I got 2 of them done today. And the other thing I used was some of this silk, which is awesome. Well, can you see how frosty and sparkly it is? This is also a Fun Stampers Journey product. I did not look to see if they still have this. I love this stuff. It makes fabulous splatters, and I have it in all sorts of colors. So I used that. I used ink pads and pencils, colored pencils. All right, and then of the kit, of course. So here's the first card. And I think it turned out so cute. And while it might not look very labor intensive, it was, because I had to do that basket weaving stuff to create that. Plus, you know, stamping and coloring with pencil. And then once this was done, you put glaze on it. So can you see the shine? And then on the apples went glitter to look like sugar. I mean on the pies. And then the apple, you didn't put glitter on it. So very cute, as American as apple pie, which is one of the sayings there in that stamp set. Now I didn't put anything on the inside because I'm thinking, well, for one thing, I was waiting for the glaze to dry, which I think it is dry now. But I thought it would be cute to put happy birthday, life is short, eat dessert first. So that's what I'm probably going to put on the inside of this card. But I think it turned out super cute. I just followed the directions, and I love it. I think it turned out really cute. Okay, so there's that one. And then the second card I chose one that I thought wasn't quite as labor intensive. So I did this one here. So on this one, you stamp the background. This one, one of the techniques on it was paper piecing. So the stem and the leaves on the apple are paper pieced with the appropriate colored cardstock. And then at the end, you go over and put the glaze just on the shading areas there. And then you can see the spatter there, and that was from this silk stuff. I did go ahead and cut out an inside piece. It didn't come with an inside piece, and I do have cardstock from when I sold for this company that matches, so I used the same color as what was on the front there. And then the twine, which is a fun element, and the apples are popped up. So that's it. These are my 2 cards for this Saturday. Very cute, and I chose this kit because with the apples I thought it was appropriate for September. I always think of apples in September. So, and I love the pies. They're so cute. All right, I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. Be sure to go over and check out Jill Norwood's channel. I will put the link in the description box below, so you can find it easier, but if you put her name in, it will come up that way too. And if you would like to join along with us for Saturday Morning Makes, whatever you create, it can be anything. Simply do a video or take photographs. If you do a video, you can upload it to YouTube. Well, you can upload it to whatever platform, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Otherwise, you can just do photos also, and you just simply put the hashtag SatMornMakes. And then people will be able to find what you've made by searching that hashtag, just like you can do. You can just search that hashtag and see what everybody has come up with. All right, thanks for watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and click that bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I post a video. I have lots of videos for your entertainment there on my channel. And I will see you next time. Ta-ta!